In today's Business Spotlight, we're taking a look at a local bank, Citizens National Bank. And joining us today, Chad King. He's the Lima City president. And thanks for joining us, Chad.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Holly.
Okay, so Citizens National Bank has been around more than 100 years. So I'm sure the bank has changed a lot since the beginning. So how have things changed? What's your look now?
Yeah, it's a pretty amazing story, really. I mean, the bank started on January 31st, 1920. With $50,000 in capital and 4 employees. So we've come a long way in just a little over 100 years. We're just under $1 billion in assets now. We serve 10 counties out of 9 branches in Ohio, and we've got just over 150 employees. So it's been a really nice organic growth story.
Right, yeah. Is there any certain areas that you guys prefer to specialize in, or banks don't do that?
Yeah, well, every bank has their strengths, I think, but we're a full-service bank, so we take care of, individuals. We take care of businesses, small farms, big farms. I mean, we pretty much take care of it all.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's move now to the pandemic. I mean, whenever we talk to any business, the pandemic's affected them somehow. So, has it affected the bank any? What did you guys do during the pandemic?
Oh yeah, it definitely affected us, just like it affected a lot of small businesses. But it also gave us opportunities to help our customers. So we participated in the PPP program. So we helped over 900 businesses obtain a little over $46 million in funds to help pay their employees, keep their businesses running through the pandemic. So that was something that was a big task, but it was something that was important that we participate in and help our clients with, and something that we're really proud about. It also gave us an opportunity to find new ways to reach out to our clients. Obviously, people were already busy, and we were having to find other ways to make contact with our clients and do business with them, but the pandemic presented other obstacles. So we started taking online savings account applications just because it wasn't easy for people to come into a branch. People weren't necessarily comfortable coming into a branch at certain times. People, they were already able to make deposits remotely, do bill payment transactions online, do person-to-person payments through Zelle. So we had all those capabilities available. It just kind of kick-started us, to offer other options to do business with the bank electronically. We started doing DocuSign for a lot of things that people would have otherwise had to come into the branch for. And probably the biggest thing, online advancement is we started taking home loan applications online. So that we found is a really convenient solution for our clients, something that they really enjoyed, and something that I think will continue to grow as we move out of the pandemic.
Yeah, isn't that amazing, the technology? I mean, when the bank started 100 years ago, they definitely didn't think about this kind of stuff that you guys would be able to do.
Yeah, no, it takes a lot of thought, a lot of investment to kind of stay up with those technology items that make banking with us a little more convenient and easy.
Mm-hmm. All right, so you've already had 100 years under your belt. Let's look to the future, to the next 100 years. Do you have any things that you're looking at moving forward?
Yeah, so we're always going to continue to find ways to evolve and make banking with us more convenient and secure and innovative. So that'll never stop. And really, we're in business to help our customers achieve their goals. So we're always going to be looking for opportunities to do that. We're always going to be looking for opportunities to build relationships, right? I mean, we're in business because of our customers. It's really the relationships that we have with those customers that keep us growing. That's kind of the neat thing behind our growth story is we got to just under $1 billion in assets, and we really haven't acquired another bank or anything to do that. It's all been through finding the right people in the right locations with the right relationships, and we grow through those relationships. So that's what we're going to continue to do is, take really good care of the customers that we have and try to find ways to make new relationships and new happy customers.
Sounds very good. Chad, thanks very much for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you, Holly.
All right, don't go away. First Edition continues in a moment.